At American HVAC, genuine heating and air. We pride ourselves on tight, crisp, and clean HVAC work. The process of custom-built ductwork by American HVAC is born from the old-school techniques. The job begins with the first snip of tin inside a neat and orderly atmosphere. We provide genuine sheet metal fabrication from our own shop. Now, with everything loaded on our truck, we are now set and ready to be on the job site, bright and early in the morning. Stand by and don't blink, Super Tech. We're going to a quick commercial break, and when we come back, we'll show you how we do it. Quick, clean, and efficient.